Let's move on to the next question. What are the consequences of unemployment? Okay, so this is the question, the consequences of unemployment. So what are your views on the same? Let's go on to the answer. Unemployment is the cause of many problems. Because of unemployment, people become dissatisfied with the government and may turn towards illegal activities to earn money. Okay, so I'm going to give a few more instances or examples as to or what are a few more consequences of unemployment. The situation can give birth to terrorism in extreme cases. To top it, skilled people start migrating to other countries or to better countries. This is called brain drain and can be harmful to the country. Okay, so the consequences of unemployment. Number one, people would be dissatisfied with the government, and this would in turn lead to a lot of illegal activities because people have to find a source to make money, so they get into illegal activities. And this situation, in extreme cases, sometimes it might lead to terrorism also, because obviously when people are not happy with the government, they start rebelling. So it will lead to terrorism. And to top it, sometimes we lose skilled people, most talented people who migrate towards better countries looking for better opportunities. So this is called brain drain, and this is definitely harmful to the country. So these are the various consequences of unemployment, and they have been listed as I had just given you all.